How to log in into your Kroger Credit Card online account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Kroger Credit Card online account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and type in kroger.com and press enter. Once you are on the home page, tap on the sign in button at the top right corner. From the drop down menu, tap on the sign in. Now you will be directed towards the login page. Here, enter your email address and password, then tap on sign in button. Once you are logged in into your Kroger account, you can go on the credit card option, then type in the user ID and password, and finally click on the login button, and that's it. You are now logged in into your Kroger Credit Card online account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.